F250. Got both the rads installed, all the hoses installed. Transmission cooler is supposed to get here today, but before we do that, got a new windshield in it. Had that installed yesterday. Looks pretty great. Pretty cheap, around 200 bucks, not bad. And then installed. And then ordered a new tire and wheel for it. A bunch of other parts are coming. AC condenser. Don't know if they're gonna be here today. Also, we are going to today do an oil change on it before we go ahead and try to start this bad boy. So I'm gonna run to the store, get some oil for this thing, put some oil in it, and then I think we're gonna try to start it for the first time. I have a fuel filter swap kit to change it to the screw-on OEM instead of the OEM style, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. So, all right, so I'm back to the store. I got the filter, 3 gallons of Rotella T5 10W30. So I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna change the oil, and then I put the cross member up, the rad support up top. We're gonna have to bolt that down, button everything up, see if the hood closes good. Damn, that was a beautiful oil kill. I've never had one go that nice with it. That oil needed change for sure. Let that bitch drain, camera. Filter's leaking all everywhere. Sick. Oh my god. Here it comes, dude. There's this. Oh, son of a bitch, bruh. Oh my god. Dude, it's everywhere. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I think it was due for an oil change. It's about, you know. Hey, whenever you get a chance, Blake, a towel of some sort, like a paper towel, would be sick. Yeah, okay. Just because I don't want to leak it all over the driveway. We're gonna let this drain for a minute, boys. All we needed right love. Years go by, I said we kick some ass. With some oil. Oh no. Dude, I hope I don't spill this everywhere. Oh god. Fuck this rubber. It's the only time Ricky had about 9 using rubber. Damn right. Fuck! Spill oil.
That's engine cooler rental. Yep, $500.
What?
We've had it for like a week.
No, it's been 2 days. Wow. Yesterday and today. Was it $250 a day?
Rewurx, it really don't take that long to clean up the battery.
My wrench. Here it is. Yes. Like,
I was borrowing this.
Blake's in a lot of tool rounds then.
You're gonna die.
You rent my blades all the time, my grinding wheels.
I don't want to see you guys over by that blue toolbox, green toolbox, or my Bronco. If I find one more scratch and dent on it, I'm just throwing a torch on all this stuff.
How do you know it's not mom, huh?
Well, I'll put her stuff
Currently
in there
working on the truck.
Regan just got in front of the camera. Okay, you want me to turn it over, Sam?
No.
I'll fire it up. He's scared. Another roll call.
Coolant.
Rewurx custom, take one. Take one. Coolant's up over here.
We got 2 reservoirs.
Yeah. Stand back.
Oh, this one left.
Stand back. Fire at will. Fire in the hole. He's scared. He's stalling, Sam.
Double checking. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, we do have confidence out there, media people.
More works.
Battery seems
Oh,
charged.
those LEDs are badass.
You cursed on Rewurx.
Family friendly. Child friendly. Friendly.
Oh my god, my seat's moving right now.
It's my mission to get you out of here.
Radio works.
Radio working. Check.
Next check.
Rolling call, I hear. It's rolling call. Sounds like an airplane. got a boner. Hold on. Take it to the back, Sam. Go ahead, real close.
Here's the crazy thing is there's a knob down here.
For what?
I don't know.
Oh, you talking about the roll call one?
I don't know what the knob does.
Well, has it got a name on it?
No.
You don't have a name or nothing on the knob?
Well, so what he had to do, he had to tune it.
Yeah, but I mean, if it was not a name or what the thing is. Why is it? Well, it's got a bug too.
It runs the tune. That's your OBT. Alright. I don't know what the knob does.
I don't know. I'm looking up and see, but I wouldn't go just flipping it.
No,
I mean,
no.
Can't hurt nothing. I mean, eventually we'll find out.
We're averaging 14 miles a gallon. That's not bad. It's only 2 less than my Silverado.
We should probably get on 60. So. We're going to see you and then maybe we can rock out. Make sure you don't leave the drum like that. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, Sam, I don't think you got any answers.
Dude, that's a wicked wheel for sure. You hear it whining way louder.
Put it in, you got all the training hooked up? All the training cooler and all that?
Training cooler's up front.
Yeah,
It's not bolted. It's not bolted.
Okay, so put it in reverse. Don't be scared, boys. Hold on, let me get your sock. Come on, Sammy, move it.
Woo! There's a big rig!
Hell, you can drive her down the road.
Yo, this doctor is squeaky.
Oh, we got that one buster one still hot.
I think you can turn that roll call, but I had it all the way to the left and it don't roll as much. And if you turn it up,
Well, you know, a roll cold. All it's doing is feeding more fuel. That's why your fuel's so high, too.
well,
Kick it over again real quick.
that started right up that time. What I was gonna say,
What's your temperature go to? May want to, you don't have to now, but you want to let it get warmed up. And, you're not even on drive.
yeah, I'm a
protecting stuff. Alright, I gotta go put something on.
hell yeah, Sam!
Yep, dissed me. It's my truck, you done stole it. You stole it because you knew it had a roll Kohler on it. I don't have nothing.